I want to talk to you guys today about why we choose what lights we use. Now we have the ability to go choose from all kinds of different manufacturers, and that's a question I get asked a lot is, well, who do you guys use for lighting? And there's several different companies, and there's probably hundreds we could pick from, and we've probably tried lights from several dozen of them, and we just kind of sourced out and came up with the best and most durable ones that we like. And it just so happens that FX Luminaire has some of the most durable lighting fixtures that are out there, and that's why we choose them a lot of the time. That being said, we use different lighting fixtures and different products from companies like Kichler and Vista Professional Outdoor Lighting and many others, but I want to talk to you about the staples, and the one that we recommend most is probably our uplight from FX Luminaire, the RS LED uplight. And basically what you're going to find in that light is a really quality and really durable fixture. And that's where you can go online and you can order one of our try it before you buy it lights, so that you can really feel the difference and see the difference in these lights. But the reason I like this is a nice simple design and a nice black finish. We can get them in any finish. It comes standard with a 20 watt equivalent or 4 watt LED bulb, so this is an LED light. But if you need something brighter, we can swap that bulb out and put something brighter. It also comes with a very solid and durable 6-inch ground stake, so every light has that. It's that 2700 Kelvin temperature, color temperature, that warm white that you're used to seeing. So just because it's LED, it's not that bright white that sometimes people think. It's just that nice soft warm yellow. But that's why we like this light. It's one of the most durable lights on the market, and we know this is going to last 10, 15, 20, 25 years. And it's easily one of the best values out there for what you get. So go and try it before you buy it light, and you can really feel for yourself the quality of this light.